Ryan with you here. Hey, I know I've made mention of this before, but I just want to talk about the Air 2S for just a moment. In case anybody who follows my channel knows that I keep up with most of the latest drones. I have the Air 2S, the Air 3S, Mini 3, Mini 4, Mini 5, and so on. One of the things that I get these drones for is photography, and just the ability to use a zoom camera to get closer and safely to things that I normally wouldn't do, nature and wildlife and such. I just wanted to touch on the fact that the Air 2S, even though it's a 5-year-old drone now, this being 2026, is still a very relevant drone when it comes to zooming. It does not have a fantastic zoom. In that class, I would put the Air 3S, or if I had my hands on it, the Mini 4 or the Mavic 4 Pro would be an excellent drone for being able to zoom. But the Air 2S can still hold its own as long as you know how to work it in post. I'm showing you this example here just to give you an idea of what you can do with a scene in post by zooming in with the frame rate set at 5.4 instead of even 4K. That's 5.4K on the Air 2S, which no other drone has. So it is what it is. The Air 2S still stands out much better, especially for photography. But for the Air 2S, if you were to pick it up used, this is a drone that still more than holds its own.